most of the clients that we work with tend to be a little leaner and meaner. I want to understand, when you were looking at all the different vendors out there, what were the capabilities that you were looking for? And was there anything specific that you had to have in a compliance and security tool?
Yes, great question. We know we needed SOC 2, and we also needed GDPR. And ISO would have been a nice to have, and you guys did that all. But for something that we're currently building with our technology, we needed HIPAA. So we found one solution that covered all four realms of what we had to do. That was one. With HIPAA, because it was completely new for us, we knew there'd be a lot of documentation. So I really liked it that you guys had tons of templates to help guide us in the right path. And like our organization, yours is very customer service focused. So whenever we need help, we just go onto Slack, and within minutes, typically, we got a response back. So it was a combination of, it didn't put a burden on my staff. And now with AI and all the coding that we're doing, there's no time to do extra compliance documentation. The programmers just don't want to. They really didn't need to, which was great. And it was just so easy to go through the process. Yes, there's a lot of time involved in doing this, but I don't think it could have been done any easier than you guys made it for us.